Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show to you the way how to customize your frame for your picture only with the PicsArt application. So here you just need to open your PicsArt application, and right after that you just need to wait until it's perfectly open, and the next thing you need to do is just go click this plus button if you found it. So you just need to go click it, and then they will bring you into this page, and you just need to go click this blank. So before we continue, we need to adjusting the ratio of this canvas. So to do that, you just need to go click this tools, and then you just need to go click this top side, which is the crop, and then we just need to adjusting what type of size or ratio that we want to have. So I would like to make a frame for my Instagram story, so you just need to go click this story with Instagram symbols on it, and then you just need to go click apply. So basically these PicsArt application already provide you with frame options down here. But then here I would like to show you how to make an aesthetic and engaging frame by yourself by using this draw tool. So you just need to go with this draw, and then you just need to pick the type of the pen that you want to have. I would like to have this one because it's look good, and you can also adjusting the color too by go click this part, and you just need to adjusting what type of color that you want to have by drag at this point into the specific area that you want to have. I would like to have this magenta pink here, and then you just need to go click this checklist button. And the next thing you need to do is start drawing the canvas. Okay, like drawing into the whole part of the canvas, just pretending that this canvas is the thing that you will have later on whenever you have a pictures. And you can also adjusting for the next frames. You can just find what type of frames that you want to have here. It's all free, so you can just pick, and don't forget to pick the other colors too, and then start to draw again. And right after you're done, you just need to go click this apply, and you already got this type of frames, and then you just need to download it. And whenever you're done, now let's just see whether this frame is work perfectly on our picture or not. You just need to open your Instagram and right away slide into the Instagram story part. And right after that, you just need to add the picture that you want to give a frame from. And here I would like to adjust in this picture first, and let's just try to add the frames that we just created by go click these symbols, and then you just need to go click this photo, and then you just need to enter this. So you just need to adjusting the size too by pinch with two of your finger into the other side, and you're done. Now you already got these frames into your picture, and you can just go click this three small dot and save it. So basically, that is the way how to create your own frame with the PicsArt application. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.